Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Just the Tip. Today's size matters, specifically talking about sockets, bolt heads, wrenches. So you know there's metric and there's standard sizes. So in metric you got 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, right? And then on standard sizes you got 3/8 of an inch, 7/16 of an inch, ½ inch, 9/16, 5/8, etc. Sometimes we get into a situation where we don't have metric or we don't have standard with us, or we don't have the right one. But there's a little trick, and a lot of times it works, sometimes it doesn't. These sizes aren't the same, but it's just a little tip for you guys. 3/8 is a 10 millimeter. 7/16 is an 11 millimeter. ½ inch is like a 13 millimeter. 9/16 is like a 14. So you can actually substitute, sometimes you can substitute socket sizes and wrench sizes and get the job done. So a 3/8 is just a little bit smaller than a 10 millimeter, and sometimes a 3/8 won't fit on a 10, but a 10 will fit on a 3/8 and actually take it out for you. But if you're going to swap these sizes, use 6-point sockets, because a 12-point socket you're probably just going to round the head off because you're already not using the right size socket. This is true all the way up until like a 19 millimeter is the same as a 3/4. I was in the situation just the other day where I did not have a 19 millimeter wrench. I don't know what the hell happened to mine. Here's a 17, here's an 18, and I needed a 19, and I didn't have one. So what I did was, I took my 3/4 wrench, and I used this, because 3/4 is the same about as a 19, and it worked just fine. 5/8 is a 16, so while it's not exactly the same, sometimes you can swap out these metric for the standard just to get the job done. Well, that's it, guys. This is 12 o'clock, and remember, I can't guarantee your work. This is just the tip.